Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On today's video, I want just to ask ChatGPT, what if I became or I become a AI YouTuber? What she or what he suggests me to become a YouTuber or content creator that creating content about AI. Let's ask ChatGPT himself what his suggestion for me. Okay, let's get it on. Hello ChatGPT, how was your day?
Hello, my day has been great. How about yours?
Okay, thank you. Okay, I want to discuss about something. Actually, I've been thinking that what if I creating content on YouTube about AI per se? What do you think about that?
Creating content about AI can be a great idea. It's a trending topic with a lot of interest. If you can provide clear, useful insights or tutorials, you can attract a good audience. What specific aspects of AI are you thinking about covering?
Okay, you tell me. Please suggest me ideas. What kind of point of view of AI that maybe is still blue ocean or nobody else, not so many people talk about it.
Sure, here are a few ideas. 1. AI ethics and bias, exploring how to ensure AI systems are fair and unbiased. 2. AI in lesser known industries, highlighting unique applications of AI in fields like agriculture or environmental science. 3. AI and mental health, discussing AI tools for mental health support and therapy. 4. AI generated art and creativity, exploring how AI is used in creative fields like music, art, and writing. 5. AI for accessibility, examining how AI can assist people with disabilities. These topics are still emerging and could attract an interested audience.
Wow, great. Ethical content, I believe I don't have any knowledge about that.
No worries.
I will cross the ethical issue and then the industrial use of AI. That's good idea. Mental health as well is good idea. Art and creativity. Uh, Later we elaborate more. And then accessibility is actually I've never think about this. So let's elaborate about art and creativity. So do I need a good devices or what the basic skills that must have before I start art and creativity AI content?
To start creating AI content focused on art and creativity, you don't need highly advanced skills at first, but a few basics will help. 1. Basic understanding of AI tools. Familiarize yourself with popular AI art platforms like DALL-E, Midjourney, or Stable Diffusion. 2. Creativity and art fundamentals. A good eye for art and creativity will help you create engaging content. 3. Basic video editing skills. Knowing how to edit videos will help in presenting your content in an appealing way. 4. Storytelling. Being able to narrate the creative process and outcomes can make your content more engaging. A good device with decent processing power will be helpful but not mandatory at the start. You can always upgrade as you progress.
Wow, uh, you opened the curtain for me. The thing is, to be honest, I'm able, I have capability to do editing, but to be honest for you, uh, I'm I don't like to edit videos on YouTube. So I just record, no editing, and then upload. Since I have many, many things out there, I have businesses to manage, and I have 3 kids to play, and so on and so on. So I will avoid editing skills. So let's go back to another options. The industrious, industries, mental health, and accessibility. Which one is not so painful in editing skills?
Given your preference for minimal editing, focusing on topics that require less post production effort would be ideal. AI in lesser known industries. You could create content by showcasing how AI is being used in unique fields like agriculture, manufacturing, or environmental science. This can involve interviews or simple discussions, reducing the need for heavy editing. AI for accessibility. This topic can also be presented through straightforward demonstrations or user friendly discussions, allowing you to share how AI tools can help people without needing complex editing. Both options allow you to provide valuable information with less focus on the editing process.
Good idea. Good idea. So actually, this conversation recorded by me, and then I will upload it on YouTube. And so the niche content that I upload about this video, oh, it's with paradox, I think. My journey with AI. What do you think about that?
My Journey with AI sounds like a compelling title. It gives a personal touch and invites viewers to join you as you explore AI. It's relatable and can attract an audience interested in learning alongside you.
So actually, my purpose is learn together with my audience how to use AI. I'm not trying to teach my audience or my viewers, but I just record myself when I do conversation with you. I'm generating videos on Sora, for instance, and so on. What do you think about that?
That sounds like a great approach. Learning alongside your audience can make your content very relatable and engaging. It creates a sense of community and shared discovery, which can be quite appealing to viewers.
Wow. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So, okay, thank you for this conversation. I will talk myself on this video. So that is, guy, how I talk
You're
with
welcome.
ChatGPT.
I'm glad I could help. If you need any more assistance, feel free to reach out. Good luck with your content creation.
Okay, uh, what you saw that how I brainstorming with ChatGPT. Actually, oftenly I'm doing with chat, but in this case I'm creating a video, so I'm trying to talk with him. And you should try to talk with ChatGPT, Gemini, or any AI out there, because to be honest with you guys, discuss with AI much more faster. Even if I warned you, not 100% correct, not 100%, it will lead to good conclusion, but it will be faster rather than you wait for your boss, wait for your friend, wait for your wife, your husband, and so on. You just directly open your phone, open your computer, and then just discuss right away. Simple. That's it, this video. I hope you can get insight from this video. See you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.